Ma, we are starting the question number 17. 17 over, ma. 17 we have to continue, va? Yes. So last video, pa, we completed till 16th one. So we are going now 17th question, okay? Right, 17th one. 17th one we are going. Yes. See children, first term of the AP is unity. Unity in the sense what, ma? 1. What, my dear? 1. First term is a 1. Instead of 1 only they are giving like that. Okay. Understand? In social science something will be there. Unity means some other meaning. But in mathematical unit in the sense 1 da. Understand? Right. So common difference is what? 4. And what is the following will be first term of the AP. First term of the which of the following will be term of AP? Okay, term of AP, not a first term. Term of AP they are asking. Term in the sense what we can say AN. Okay, so which is the AN? The question. Do you remember we have 2 questions in the textbook? One an example, one an exercise. Minus 150 is the term of AP. Check like that. One question is there. One more question example is there. Do you remember that? The same manner I am going to check now. So each we have to take as a AN. Okay. If you are taking AN, what will be happen there? A plus n minus 1 into D. Here AN is given, AN is the option. Okay. A is given, D is given. Then AN, A when you send opposite minus A equal to n minus 1 into D. Into D when you send opposite divide. Then from AN we have to subtract A. Then we have to divide it by the common difference. Common difference will be divisible by accurately in the sense, yes, it is term of AP. Common difference not divisible by accurately in the sense, no, it's not a term of AP. Simple. Do you understand my question? Do you understand what I'm telling? Right. Here everything is a AN. This is AN. A is what? 1. Subtract 1. What I'm getting? 50. 50 will divisible by 4. 50. Last, whatever the number of term is given, last 2 digit divisible by 4. Whole digit will be divisible by 4. Do you understand? So last 2 digit alone I'm going to check. 50 whether it will be divisible by 4? No. Then option A is not. Subtract 1 here. What I'm getting? 90. 90 will divisible by 4? No. Then whole term divisible. Sorry, will not divisible. Minus 1. Then what it is? 80. 80 will divisible. So option C will be answer. Understand? Minus 1. This is 30. 30 will not divisible by 4. Then C is my required answer. Do you understand? So everything we have to take as a AN. AN. When we finding what we are doing, n should be positive integer, ma. N should be what? Positive integer. Integer in the sense it should be divisible by accurately without reminder. So everything with reminder is dividing except C. That is what I am selecting C. Do you understand? Navya, is it okay or what? Then why are you looking like that? Still you not getting the point? Not getting. Nothing, pa. Each one you should take as a AN. I have to do sum only that. Take a AN. First you solve. Then 451 equal to A. A value what? 1. N minus 1 into D value is what? 4. Okay, we have to find the N value. N value you should get as a positive integer. It means without negative, without a P by Q form. Positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole number. Okay. Right. Whole number means 0 also can come. So 451 minus 1. 1 when you send opposite minus 1. N minus 1 multiple 4 will send next time. When you subtract what I am getting 455 1 minus 1 0. Multiple when you send opposite divided by 4 you will be getting equal to n minus 1. Cancel this. 1 4s are 4. Again 1 4s are 4. Remainder 1 15. 3 4s are 12. Remaining what are Raja? 3. 30 mean 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2. Amava. So 2 is a reminder. 2 is a reminder in the sense it not divisible by 4 accurately. So what I am getting? Something I am getting as a reminder. 2 divided by 4 minus 1 is there. When you bring opposite you will be getting as this answer. This is mixed fraction. It means like a P by Q format we are getting. So it's not. Like that we have to go, I am telling. If you go like this, C will be getting as an answer. Okay, C you try, you will be getting accurately. That is I said there. I gave a shortcut there. That's it. Okay. So A, what I am doing, A subtracting and dividing by 4. That is I did. A is subtracted from AN. divisible by common difference. It is divisible by accurately. Then whole number will be divisible by the thing. Okay. For 1 mark, this is enough. 2 mark question, now we can go like this the whole steps. Okay. Now, this is I said. 0. This is I said. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? See what I said. M times the mth term is equal to n times the nth term. Then find m plus n. I said. Am I right? Instead of m n, what they given? PQ. I told you, sometime they will be changing the variable. Okay. So what is the answer for this? 0. Can I do this step? It's very important. It's a 3 mark question. Let me show. Okay. Listen. So what they are given? P times TP. T in the sense here A term. AP. Instead of AP, they are given TP. That's it. Understand? Right. TP equal to Q times TQ. Right. So what I want to bring? P plus Q the term. That means n value P plus Q. That means A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. Instead of n, P plus Q we have to use. Okay. Right. That step we have to bring equal to what? Okay. Right. Here P into Pth term in the sense A plus P minus 1 into D. Am I right? Equal to here Q times A plus, it's A plus Q minus 1 into D. Am I right? D you multiple inside. P into A plus P into D, PD minus D equal to Q into A plus QD minus D closed. Now P you multiply, Q you multiply inside. Okay. So what I'm getting? A P plus P square D minus P D equal to A Q plus Q square D minus QD. Am I right? So either left hand side you bring to right hand side, or right hand side you take to left hand side. Anything you do it, not a problem. I'm taking this to left hand side. Okay. So I have a AP plus P square D minus PD. When I bring to opposite, minus AQ minus Q square D minus, when you come bring to opposite, plus QD equal to 0. Now first A term, because we need A first, then D term. First A term you select. Where we have a term? A term. So A term I'm taking first. Can I? Right. So A, if I take common outside, what I have? P minus, here underlined one. What I have? Q minus Q. Understand? Next what I need? D. So D you take outside. D you take outside. So what I have here? P square minus, oh no, first Q term all you just gather together. Okay. Here you see, here there is a square term and square term. Square term first I am gathering, then I am going the next. Okay. So D if you take outside, P square minus Q square. Otherwise I am going as per the degree. Next minus P here minus P. Next plus Q, which is equal to 0. Understand? Now I want to bring P plus Q minus 1 inside the bracket. Am I right? Right. Okay, let it be A plus P, sorry, A into, okay, A into P minus Q plus D into A. Also I need just A. Here P minus Q is multiplying. Then P minus Q we have to take commonly outside. Okay. So first the P square minus Q square we can write P plus Q into P minus Q. P plus Q I got now. Okay. Right. But here it's not a P minus Q. Okay, take one minus outside from these two terms. Okay. When I take, what I am getting? Plus P. Minus P will become a plus P. Plus Q will become a minus Q. Am I right? Equal to 0. Now you see. What I have? P minus Q. P minus Q. P minus Q. Can I take commonly outside? Right. I can. So P minus Q I am taking commonly outside. Then what I have remaining here? A plus. Here I have what? P plus Q. This I took outside. P minus Q I took outside. This also I took outside. Then what I have remaining here? Minus 1 into this D. D I am writing in the last. Equal to 0. Okay. Multiple value. When I said opposite, divide. 0 divide anything? 0. Then leave it the term. So A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 0. What I can say this term? What I can say this? A P plus a Qth term equal to 0 I can say. Am I right? This is A plus N minus 1 into D. N in the sense P plus Q. So AN we can say. That is I have mentioned. Am I right? It's a very important question. 3 mark they may ask. Understand? 3 mark they may ask. Don't forget it. So they may take in the number also. How they will? 3 times the third term. Okay, which is equal to some other thing. 9 times 9 cancel like that. So 19 times the 19 term. Then find 19 plus 3. 22. Then find the 22th term. Like that they will ask. The same model only you have to go. It's very easy. Number work, it's very easy. Easily A value will cancel when you write. D value you will be getting. When you separate, you will be getting the answer. Am I right? Very easily you can go. Okay. Here and all it's very easy. But generally when they ask only, you should be careful. Do you understand, children? Can I go to next? Have you took notes now? Have you done our word? Right. 19th one. Have you seen the 19th one? It's the same 3 term they are given in AP. What do you want? So 3 terms they are given in AP. They asked to find X. What you will do the same manner? A1, A2, A3. So A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. A2 value 1 by X plus 3 minus A1 value 1 by X plus 2, which is equal to A3 value 1 by X plus 5 minus A2 value 1 by X plus 3. Try to bring X plus 3 one side. Then we can easily we can simplify it. Or else take cross multiple there itself. Whatever I do, not a problem. Take cross multiple, then X plus 2 minus, here minus 1. Minus 1 into X plus 3 minus X minus 3 you will be getting. Divided by X plus 3 into X plus 2, which is equal to. Here also you take cross multiple. So what I am getting here? What I am getting here? When I take cross multiple, X plus 3 minus 1 into X minus X minus 5 divided by what I am getting? X plus 5 into X plus 3. Okay. Now plus X minus X will be cancelled. Plus X minus X will be cancelled. 2 minus 3 minus 1. And here also X plus 3 will be cancelled. Then remaining minus 1 divided by X plus 2 equal to 3 minus 2 divided by X plus 5. Here also minus we can cancel, take cross multiple. 1 into X plus 5 X plus Y, 2 into X 2X, 2 2s are 4. X fully one side, number fully one side. 5 minus 4 equal to 2X minus X. When I subtract, I am getting X, here 1. Then X value what ma? 1. Where? C option. Very simple. So same manner we have to go. Same A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 we have to do. Understand? Right. Can I go next? Can I go next? Answer 1. Answer 1. Okay. Now we are 20th one. 20. See, very easy. The same manner. R in AP, then A plus B they are asking. We can find now very easily. So for that, first A value. That means A2 is what? A3 is what? We have to find. Then we have to add A2 and A3. A plus B in the same second term and third term they are adding. Understand? So finding A2 and A3. For finding A2 and A3, what all we need? A and D we need. Okay. So what you will do? A value is there already 18. Am I right? And what is given on the last? what it is? Actually, A4 it is. What it is? A4. So A equal to 18 because A1. Okay. Because A1 is 18. So A4 is what is given? Minus 3. A4 in the sense A plus 3D equal to minus 3. A value 18 plus 3D equal to minus 3. 18 when you send opposite, what I am getting? Minus 3 minus 18. When you add each, minus 21. Then 3 times D equal to, when I cancel, what I am getting? Minus 7 as a D value. So I can find now A in the sense A2, A2 in the sense A plus D, A value 18 minus D value 7. What I am getting? 11, right. Next B equal to A3, A3 in the sense A plus 2D, A value 18, 2 times D, that is 14, equal to 4. Add both, 15, that is they added. Where? Option D. Do you understand? A plus B in the sense that, okay, directly we have to add like that, you don't imagine. Understand? Hey, one more idea is there. Instead of going like that, we can go like this, no? A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. What is A2? A1 value 18. A3 value what? Minus 3. A2 value what? B. Minus B when you bring opposite. Oh, it's a sorry, it's a A2. A3B adalaja. Then I made a mistake. Wait. This is the easy way. Okay. Oh, till A4 we have. Okay, okay. Then A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. What is A3? B. A2 value? A equal to A4 minus 3. A3? So first and last you take. Okay. Minus B when you bring opposite, plus B. Here we have a minus 3. 18 when you send opposite, plus 18. It's getting 15. Oh, this is good idea. Is it okay? After solved only I am getting this idea. This is easy, no? Compared to that, that is okay. Like that also you can think. Understand? Like that also you can think. First and last I made a equal, then I got that answer. Okay. First term and last term I made it equal, then I got that. Is it okay? Right. So ACC, sum of first n odd natural number. N square. Good. What it is? N square. Okay. When there is given number of term, when we add odd number, we can square the number of term. Am I right? So odd number we have to add. How many odd number? N odd number. Then number of term is given. Number of term we have to square. That means n square. Simple. I told you know that formula. That formula they asked. Okay. And here Sn they are given. What is Sn? It's a book bag or what? What is it? Sum of n terms of the AP is this. Then 164. It's what term? So you have to take as a an this is. We have to take as a what, my dear? An this is. For that we should know first A and D value. We must know what value we must learn first. A value and a D value. First you substitute S1. Then what I am getting? 3 into 1 3, 5 into 1 5 equal to 8. 8 value is what? A. Then S2 you find. Then 2 square. I mean 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2. No. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 is what? A1 plus A2. Okay. A1 value 9. A2 equal to 22. And A2 equal to 22 minus 9. What I am getting? 13 appa. 13. So D value A2 minus A1. What, my dear? What do you want? Yeah, A value 8. It's A1. Where? Oh, here I substituted. Okay. 8. Then what I am getting? 8. 8 when I subtract? 14 Raja. Very good. 14. Then what I am getting? 14 minus A1 value 8. When I subtract each 6 order Raja, right? D value I got and A value I got. Now we can go what they asked. Okay, this is 164 equal to A value what ma? 8 plus n minus 1 into D. D value 6. All that. Find n value, you will be getting which term it is 164. Okay, do it. Twenty-seventh term, Amma. Okay. So 164 minus 8 divided by 6 equal to n minus 1. When you subtract what I am getting, 164 minus 8 in the sense 156 Amma divided by 6 equal to n minus 1. Cancel this. 1 time, how many time? 2. Remaining 3, then 6 6 are. So 26 minus 1 when you bring opposite, plus 1 equal to n. Then 27th term of the AP. C. Okay. C is the required answer. Do you understand? Is it okay, guys? Ma, Sn given, An given. Then now you will go for that. Like that you have to go. Understand? This is one idea. Or else you can go a Sn formula also. Okay, it will be coming in the n, like Sn is given, no. So it will be coming like a quadratic equation. Then you can find. This is better way instead of going that. Huh? Can I go to next? Listen, sum of first n natural number. Listen, see, when we have a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, addition is there till n number if it is going. Listen carefully, everybody. 1, 2, 3 is they are adding. Means natural number they are adding till what number? Till n number if they are adding. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2. This is easy way. ஐயோ ஏதோ புதுசா கொடுக்குறான் லைக் தட் யூ டோன்ட் ஃபீல் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது தெரியலையே அடிச்சிரு வாட் இஸ் ஏ வேல்யூ ஓகே எஸ்என் ஈக்குவல் டு என் வேல்யூ என்ன தான் பை 2 வாட் இஸ் ஏ வேல்யூ செட் 1 பிளஸ் என் மைனஸ் 1 இன்ட்டு வாட் இஸ் டி வேல்யூ 1 அதுவும் 2 மைனஸ் 1 1 இது சிம்பிளை போனால் இதான் வந்து நிற்கும் பண்ணிப்பார் என் பை 2 2 இன்ட்டு 1 2 என் மைனஸ் 1 என் பை 2 n 2 minus 1 1 வந்துருச்சா n into n plus 1 by 2 அதான் நாங்கள் எழுதணும் புரியுதா அதில் போட்டால் அது வரப்போகுது இது நான் டேரெக்டாக எடுத்துக்கிறேன் அவ்வளோதான் கொஞ்சம் டைம் மிச்சம் இது ஏன் நான் சொல்கிறேன்னா n into n plus 1 by 2னா இங்கே 100 சொல்கிறானா அப்போ 100 into 100 plus 1னா 101 by 2 1 time how many 50 50 எவ்வளோ மல்டிபிள் பண்ண அவ்வளோதான் 50 என்னடா ஐ சாரி இன்ட்டு 101 தானே போட்டுடா குட்டி 0 0 0 5 0 5 ஓகேம்மா 5 0 5 0 எங்க இருக்கு பாரு இந்த இருக்கு இல்லையா இது போட வேற வழி இல்லையா சார்னா இருக்கு சிம்பிள் 1 plus 2 plus கோயிங் ஆன் 2 என்னடா குட்டி 100 எல்லாம் வச்சுக்கோ ஏவா வச்சுக்கோ லிசன் லிசன் இதெல்லாம் வேணாம் சார் புதுசா இருக்கு சார் வேணாம் சார் தெரிஞ்சதுலேயே சொல்லி கொடுங்களேன் அப்படின்னா 1 to 100 ஆமாவா 1 to 100 it is going 1 plus 2 plus it's going on till 100 then last term is what 100 first term is what 1 okay then Sn formula Sn equal to see from 1 to 100 ending now what is number of term 100 then n value 100 by 2 a plus l a value 1 l value 100 that also you can use again you will be getting the same step so 1 time 50 time you will be getting the same step. Am I right? Very simple. Better use this formula. You know, this is familiar for you people. Am I right? The last one which I said. Am I right? There you go. Okay. So sum of first 100 natural number in the sense 1 plus 2 plus 3. It's going on till 100. This is the general form. This is the general form. Is it okay, guys? Right? Fine. So a number 15 is divided into 3 parts are in AP. So 15 they are dividing it seems. So 3 terms in the sense in a AP, listen, A minus D, A plus D. This is the easy way to go. This is 3 consecutive term shortcut to finding 3 consecutive. LD go 3 consecutive term. 3 consecutive term in AP in the sense A minus D, A plus D. This is first term, second term, third term. Okay. Usually first term na we know what? A. Second term means A plus D. Amava. Third term na A plus 2D. But here I gave something special. What I gave? Nothing. If you use A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, you will be getting D. Common difference D in vanda adu AP. Amava. So here you will be getting common difference D. That is what I used in. 3 term மட்டும் தான் it is applicable. 4 termலாம் வேற. A minus 3D, A minus D அது வேற. 4 term வராது, கவலைப்படாதீங்க உங்களுக்கு. 3 term கூட rare தான். 99% வராது. 1% it will come இல்லையா. The 1% only I am giving. 4 term it will not. Don't worry. So I didn't give that. So here 3 term na A minus D, A plus D. If you are going some other route, it will be very tough. That is what I am giving this method. Okay, right. And sum of their square is given. Sum of their square and add. First you add this 15 divided into 3 parts. Then 15 divided into 3 parts. A minus D, A plus D. 3 portion they divide. Add. Then what will happen? Minus D plus D will cancel. A plus A, 3A equal to 15. 1, 3, how many 3? 5, 3. Then A value 5. Very easily we are getting A value. If you are choosing that 3 term, you never get like that. It will take time to find a value. Understand? Now I am going sum of their square. Square it and add it. Square it and add it. Okay. Equal to 83 they are given. Then find the smallest part. Smallest part na we have to find A minus D. Okay. Now A value we know what? 5. 5 you apply. Okay. Before that, apply the formula. So A square plus D square minus 2AD plus this A square will come as it is here. A square plus D square plus 2AD. Am I right? Equal to 83. This and this will be cancelled. Am I right? How many A square we have? 3A square. 3 into A square. How many D square? 2D square. Equal to 83. A I know what it is. 5. 5 square. 25. Okay. Then 75. Send the 75 opposite in the next term. Okay. So 83 minus 75 after I multiply. Subtract 80. Just 8. Okay. One time how many? One time how many? 4. Then D equal to what? What it is? Plus or minus a 2. What it is? Plus or minus a 2. Then I can get a 2 answer here. 2 answer. A minus D. Okay. So when A value 5 and D value plus 2, one answer. And A value 5 and D value minus 2, one answer. Any one can be there. We don't know what it is. Okay, va? We'll see here. So A value 5 minus 2. 5 minus of minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Here 5 minus minus plus equal to 7. 7 or 3. Any one only will be there. Why both will be there? Both will be there. Both will be there. But they ask the smallest number. So we can go 3. Okay, well, why it is the smallest number? Listen. A minus D, what is it I found? A plus D. The sequence will be coming in the reverse order. This is 3, A value what? This is 3. A value what? 5. A plus D, 5 plus 2, 7. So 3, 5, 7 I am getting. When I go this, you will be getting the reverse order. 7, 3, 5. Put so A value, this is 7. A value what? 5. Now A value 5, D value minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. So you will be getting in the reverse order. Wherever you go, smallest part to what? 3. Understand? But you will be getting 2 portion. When you suppose the same question if they asking the 5 mark, you should give 2 portion. Illiya 1.5 mark eduthuruvan. Okay va? Ena second FE you people not giving. Surely they will take 1.5 mark. Be careful. You people always forgetting the plus or minus when you take square root. Don't forget. Always forgetting. So have you noticed this is one of the important, because in the textbook we don't have like that, but this is possible to ask. possible to ask. Okay, when you have to use first three term, sum of first three term, listen carefully, when you need to use na sum of first three term of the AP is some number they will give, or product of first three term of the AP is they will be giving. That time you need to use this only, then only you will be getting A value very easily. Okay, sum of or product of. Okay, sum of product of first three term or first three consecutive term also they will be telling sometime. There also you want to use this only. Understand? It's very important. Again you note down. Okay. Through 1 mark only I can teach many creative sums. That is what I am telling many times. Something important. Whatever I am telling important, put important symbol and note down. Okay. Right. Now what it is? Write common difference. That is B they asking. Whose pth term is given. That is nth term is given. Instead of nth term they are telling pth term. That's it. N value is a p. Okay. So AP is equal to 6p plus 2. What they are asking? Common difference. That means A1 equal to 6 into 1 plus 2 equal to what ma? 8. A2 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 2 equal to 12 plus 2, 14. D equal to 14 minus 8. What I am getting? 6. That's it. Where it is? A. That's it. Do you understand? Instead of n, they are given some other variable. You should not get confused. Understand? What they are telling? Pth term, then nth term is given. Instead of n, they are given p. Like that, you have to realize it. Okay? Right. Next, I'm going. 2 APs. This, I hope we have in the textbook sums. Am I right? What is the answer for this? Textbook sum, what is the answer? Difference between 2 APs, common difference are same. Difference between 100th term is 100. Find the difference between 1000th term. Question 100 answer. Only one student is answering. Book back question. Many people will think difference between 100th term 100. Then difference between 1000 term is 1000. Am I right? They will be think like that, but it's not. 100. Check the book back. Answer. You will be getting what they are telling here. 2 APs. I have a 2 AP. AP number 1, AP number 2. I have a 2 APs. They said same common difference. Then common difference here D. Here also common difference D. They didn't talk about A. Then A can be small a, mean first term. First term equal to small a and first term equal to capital A, because difference first term I'm taking. I mean different first term I'm taking. Common difference only they said same. But first term they didn't say anything, no. So it can be different only. So I'm taking different. Difference between their 100th term they said. Then 100th term in the sense, first term small a, bigger one, I mean second one capital. Like that I'm taking. 100th term in the sense a plus 99d minus half. Second one capital A plus 99d. D only they said same. So I'm given D as a small d, small d. A different. So there I give a capital, there I give a small. Take the minus multiple inside. So A plus 99d minus A minus 99d. Plus A minus A cancel. 99d, 99d also. Oh, sorry. A will not cancel, right? Huh? A will not cancel because that is plus A. Sorry, different A. This is small a, that is capital A. Okay. So capital A, small a never cancel. Plus 99d minus 99d will be cancelled. So what I am getting? Difference between 100th term, this 100th term is 100 they said. 100th term difference is 100 in the sense. Okay, so small a minus capital A, what I am getting? 100. What I am getting? 100. And what they ask you to find the difference between 1000th term. Then a 1000 minus a 1000 equal to what? So a plus 999d minus of capital A plus 999d. Multiple the negative inside. Then a plus 999d minus a minus 999d in the sense. These together will be cancelled. Then a minus a equal to what ma? From there I am getting 100. Okay. This I am using here. Small a minus capital A equal to 100. So 100th term is 100, 1000th term also 100 difference value. Understand? It's a book bag question. You should not forget. Instead of 1000th term, they can give anything. Okay. But what is even a difference between ninth term is what? 100. Okay. Difference between first term is what? 100. Okay. So it never change. Don't forget it. Book bag question, you people not answering. Right, fine. Really, I'm feeling bad. So this is also, I hope, a book bag. 27th also. 17th term. So A17 of an AP exceed in the sense it has some more value. Okay, exceed in the sense it has some more value compared to what more value? Compared to 10th term by 7. So 17th term exceed compared to 10th term by 7. Do you understand? Exceed in the sense increasing. Compared to what it is increasing? Compared to 10th term, it is increasing 7. Like that the meaning. Understand? So, A plus 16D, which is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. A cancel. When you bring this opposite, 16 minus 9D equal to 7. 7D equal to 7. D equal to 1. Good. D equal to what, my dear? 1. Okay, what do you think about this? If the AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D, it's going on till M. Then nth term, from the end they asking. After mth term, M after N are what? Yeah, this is the L. Alphabet count we have to go or what? Huh? Alphabet count we have to go or what? We should write in the reverse order. Then M will be first term. Am I right? Right. We'll write this. Wait. M comma. What is the difference increasing? D is increasing. Then if they increase, what we have to do here? Decrease. Then M minus D, M minus 2D will be decreasing till A. Am I right? Okay. But nth term, they said, nth term means N value N. That's it, no? Then go. Then AN equal to A plus M, what is that? N minus 1. Sorry. N minus 1 into D. A value what? M plus N minus 1. D value is what? Minus D. D value is what? Minus D. Am I right? A2 minus A1. What I'm getting? Minus D. So minus D. This minus we can give here. Then M minus of N minus 1 into D. Where it is? Is there anywhere? Here. That's it. Why we need to worry? Okay, the idea you just apply. It will come. Understand? It will come automatically. The idea which you followed, reverse the AP. Reverse the given AP. Nth term they asked, then general term you find. That's it. In generally. Understand? Is it go? Sorry, is it easy or what? Okay, can I go to next? Next, evaluator asking. Here they are given A1, A2 and L they are given. Okay, L they are given. We have to find what, ma? Is that what? Plus 5 or maybe minus 5, I hope. Then plus 5, no, they can give directly plus 5, no? Okay, here there is a minus. We'll go with the minus. We'll see what it is. Okay, so what is the A value, children? Minus of minus, so plus 5. What is the L value, children? Minus 230. What is the D value, children? Minus 8. This is plus 5, no? Minus 5 equal to minus 13. I hope evaluator instead of this dot they are given this dash, I think. We'll find if it is coming wrong, I will take minus 5. Okay, right. Sir? Huh? First you find evaluate. N value we must find, then only we can go to Sn value. Okay, N value first find. So minus 230 plus A value 5 plus N minus 1 into D value minus 13. 5 when you bring opposite minus 235 divided by minus 13 equal to N minus 1. Is it divisible, ma? Check once again. No, it's not. Then it is minus 5 only. Check once again if whether it is dividing or not dividing. Then surely what it is. Instead of this dot, they are given this dash. This dash you don't consider. Minus 5. Then A value what? Minus 5. Don't take plus value. Huh? What is L value? Minus 230. Okay. Then what is the D value? Minus 8. Minus into minus plus 5 equal to minus 3. Now it will come short. Okay. So minus 230 equal to minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D value minus 3. Minus 5 when you bring opposite, what you will be getting? Plus 5, which is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. When you subtract minus 225, 3 when you bring opposite, minus 3 equal to N minus 1. Then 1, 3, how many 3 da? 7, remainder 1, 5. Minus minus cancel. Then 76 equal to N. N 76 na, yes 76 we have to find. Okay. So 76 divided by 2, A value minus 5 plus L value minus 230. One time how many time da? 38. Okay. 38 into minus 235. Multiple this, that is your answer. Multiple ra. 38 into minus 235. Minus 8930. 8930. Okay. 8930. So that is our required. So which term of the AP will be first term is negative? This is where you have seen this model. Where you have seen this model. Model or same question? Same question I think. Optional exercise first question. Optional exercise first question from arithmetic progression. Okay, that model. Sir? Of course. Sir, that is also in syllabus, sir. We have even I completed it. I didn't complete. Then see the classwork, man. I completed everything. So which term? Which term in the sense what? AN. Which term in the sense what? AN. But what we have to find? N. Which term? How many term? Number of term? Find N. Everything mentioned. Find N. Okay. Based on that, whether we have to use Sn or AN, we have to decide. Here, which term? So AN only we have to use. Which term will be first negative term? First negative. Negative term usually it will be less than 0. First term will be what? I mean, negative term will be what? Less than 0. Am I right? So, which is first negative term they are asking? First negative term we have to find. So, if you take less than 0, automatically n value will come, which is first term. Shall we go now? Right. So, A1, A2, then A plus n minus 1 into D less than 0. What is A value? 121 plus n minus 1 into D value find ra. 117 minus 121 equal to minus minus 4. Minus 4 less than 0. Plus 121 you send opposite n minus 1. Or else better you multiple minus 4 inside. Okay. 121 minus 4 when you bring inside minus 4n minus into minus plus 4 less than 0. 4n you send opposite. So 125 less than 4n. 4 when you bring opposite 125 divided by 4 less than n. When I divide 125, what I am getting? 3 4s are 12, balance 0, 5, 1 4s are 4, balance 1, 31.02 time. So 31.2 less than n. So n value must be greater than 31.2. That means what is n value? 32 and above. 32 onwards we can use whatever. Okay. So see the symbol here big. This side is what? Small. That is the meaning. Okay. So yeah, big side what we have n. Then n is a big compared to 31.2. Okay. Like that. Do you understand? Do you understand? So n value big compared to 31.2. Then what is the first? The question is what? First negative term. N value we can say 32 onwards. 32, 33, 34, 35,000, 10,000, lakh, crore, anything you can take. But first negative term they said. Then first n value what? 32. So A32 is the first negative term of the AP. If you have a doubt, you find A32, you will be getting answer in the negative. You find what is A value? 121 plus 32 minus 1, 31 into D value minus 4. So 121 multiply this 4 4 3 is 12. When you subtract, what I am getting? Minus 3. Have you noticed it? Minus 3 I am getting. Previous number you find, you will be getting plus. A31 you find, you will be getting plus number. 121 plus 30 into minus 4. So what I am getting? 121 minus 120 equal to plus 1. Plus 1 minus. That is they asked. In the AP is decreasing AP. When the term is decreasing, in one stage it will reach negative number, right? Then what is the first negative number they are asking? That is what we are telling. Minus 3 is the first negative. In 32nd term we are getting. They didn't ask what is first negative number. They asked when it will be first number. That is they asked. Which term will be first negative term? 32nd term will be first negative term. Do you understand the question? Now, what do you think? Is it okay or what? Yes. Here, where you will do mistakes, sir? 31.3 comes also. 31.3 above what? N should be positive integer. Above. Even 31.9 comes also above what? 32. Understand? It should be past integer. We should not take negative value. So where you will do mistake here? Let me tell you. Listen. Where you will do mistake? That is very important. You people will do mistake also. Listen. Here where you will be doing mistake, I will tell you. Do you aware of inequality symbol? Inequality in the sense less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. That is the inequality. Okay. Now, where you can do mistake na? Here you can do mistake. Till this you will be doing correctly. Okay. Suppose any one person can try this method. Minus 4. 121 when you send opposite. What? Minus 121. Amava? Minus minus we can cancel. When we have inequality, we should not cancel. If we are cancel, we should change this symbol. It should be reverse. Less than na, greater than. There you should be careful. Okay. So suppose if you are cancelling like that. See minus, sir, multiple minus 4. I am sending opposite, sir. Later I am dividing, sir. You should not negative number like that. When we have a negative number, we should remove the negative. Later only we have to apply. Sir, what is the 2n minus 1 less than 1 in the sense minus 1 when you send opposite plus 1. I should not do, sir. You can do. That is in addition and subtraction. In multiplication there is a negative. There is a problem. In multiplication or division there is a negative. You should not cancel the negative. If you are cancel, you should reverse the inequality. It means less than na, greater than. Now I am going to cancel this. So when I cancel, I should change this symbol greater than. In next step you have to apply this. Okay. So now n minus 1 greater than 121, multiple for when is the opposite, divide. Okay, minus 1 opposite later use. N greater than 121 divided by 4 plus 1. Either you divide, then you add, or take cross multiple, then do it. 125 divided by 4, n greater than 31.2. So greater side what I have, n. Have you noticed open side in the big, இந்த மாதிரி ஷார்ட் சைடு இருந்தா ஸ்மால், அப்ப கிரேட்டர் சைடு n இருக்கு. n கிரேட்டர் கம்பேர் டு இது. கரெக்டா அதே ஸ்டெப் வந்துச்சா? லிசன், n லெஃப்ட் ரைட் மாறி இருக்கு, ஆனா மீனிங் மாறல. have you noticed? புரியுதா? n கிரேட்டர் கவனிச்சா? அவ்வளவுதான். இட்ஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகே, வேர் யூ வில் டு மிஸ்டேக் தேர். when we have a negative in multiplication and division, you should not cancel just like that. You have to make it opposite inequality. Do you understand here? Do you understand? Only one question we have. Then very important. Okay, sometime there is one or two question, they will be focused on it. What they will think? One question only, no, they will not prepare. Some people, they will think like that. In this model, we have a one question, leave it, they will not ask only one question, no. 10 question in one method we have. Out of 10, they will ask only one, surely. Like that they will think, not. This model only they will bring inside. Understand? Be careful. Is it okay, children? Totally how many questions in this chapter? It's going on still. Okay, this is okay, no? Sum of integer between 100 and 200. This you will do, what you will do? Between divisible by 9. Between, see, when we have a 9, not a problem. When we have a 5, there is a problem. Why there is a problem? We should not take 100 and 200 when there is a word between, when there is a 5. 9 will not divisible by 100, not a problem. But if they are given 5, 100 will divisible by 5, so there is a problem. What do you people think? 100 will divisible by what is that, 5? So 100 comma 105 comma 1 what is that, 110. It's going on till 200. 200 also divisible by 5. Take like that, you people will think, but it is wrong. When there is a word between, you should not take first term and last term. Till 195 only we have to go. Here you people will do mistake. Here you people will do mistake. Understand? See, you should not do if suppose if they ask this question, you should not do this mistake. That is what I am telling here. Understand? Don't expect always 100 to 200. Many questions they will be asking. Find this, not only sum. Here they ask sum, no. Instead of sum, they will be asking number of integer. How many numbers lies between 400 and 500 which is divisible by 7? They can ask. Am I right? Am I right? Instead of 7, 11, 13, any prime number. Any prime number. So you have to ready for all method you should learn. Okay, between in the sense, first number, last number we have to leave it. But when we count only, we should not take. But when we find first term, we should take what is given. Okay, what is given? 100 is given, which is divisible by 9. Divisible by 1 9s are 9. Reminder 1. Bring that 0. Again 1 9s are 9. Reminder 1. So listen. Then when you subtract 99, when you subtract 1 there, what I'm getting? 99. 99 surely will divisible by 9. Am I right? But they said between 100 and 200. Then one more 9 when we add only, next number you will be getting. Am I right? What is next number then? 108. So 108 is my first number. Again add 8, 116. Again add 8, 124. It's going on. So how you have to learn this? After getting the reminder, take the reminder, subtract there. What, my dear? Subtract there. 107 adadanga. 100 and next number, we're adding 8. Oh, we add not 8, we are adding 9, right? Oh, sorry, sir. I added 8. Added 8. Then what I'm getting? 107. Again, if you add 9, Sorry, 117 here. 1 to 6 abba. Right. Come here. When you are getting remainder 1, so with 1, what do you add? You will be getting the divisor. 8. Amava. That 8 only we have to add there. Directly you will be getting. Or else take the remainder, subtract there, you will be getting 99. One more time you add the divisor, you will be getting A. A, this is way to find. A, this is way to find. Take the remainder, subtract it directly. Listen, again I am telling. Take the remainder, subtract directly, 99. One more time add the divisor, you will be getting A. Okay. To find a L, L how you will find? Take the last number, 200 divisible by 9. 2 nines are 18. Again 2 nines are 18. Then take the remainder, subtract directly. What I am getting? 198. That's it. Directly you can write. Here no need to add with 198 again 9. If you add, it will cross the 200. Do you understand? A means, listen, A means after subtracting remainder, we are adding the divisor one time. Am I right? Here, see, that is what. After subtracting 1, I am adding one more time divisor. So, I am getting 190. That is my A. A term, this is A to find. Subtract the remainder, then add divisor one more time. Do you understand? That is what? A. Okay. L value, directly subtract the remainder. We are subtracting remainder. What we are getting along with that, we are adding one more time divisor. But here, after subtract, don't do anything. Take that, that is as a L. After subtract, take it as a L. That is always to find A and L. This is the way to go. After finding A and L, you can find whatever you need, because we know what? A. Next we know what? D. What you divided? That is D. AD if you know. Whatever they ask, we can find. Am I right? Whatever they can ask, we can find. Am I right? They asking sum of integers. First, then you should find n by using an. An is what? 198. After finding n, you can find the Sn. Can you do this? They can ask even 5 mark also. They can ask even 5 mark. N value abba. N value 160. Sum of okay. Okay. N value you must find. N value what? 11. N value 11 it seems. Okay. N value 11. Then S11 you have to find. You will be getting the answer. N value how you will be getting? This is AN. So 198 equal to A value 108 plus N minus 1 into D value 9. 108 you send opposite. 198 minus 108 equal to n minus 1 into 9. When you subtract 0, 9, that's it. 9 when you bring opposite, I am getting divisible by 9. So this is 10. Minus 1 when you bring opposite, 11 equal to n. See, minus 1 when you bring opposite, plus 1. Minus 1 irukku, will separate 10 minus 1 and 9 எழுதிட்டு போறேன். Be careful here. Understand? So n value 11 in the sense, we have to find S11. Then 11 by 2, A plus L. A value 108, L value 198. That's it. Am I right? So 11 divided by 2, add both. 8 plus 8 is 16, remainder 1, 10, 0, remainder 1, 3. 3 not 6 I am getting. One time, how many time? 1, 5, 3. 153. 153, same 153. 3, this is 3, 8, 6, 1. So what I am getting? 1, 6, 8, 3. You said this? So 1, 6, 8, 3 you people getting as answer. Understand, Raja? So this is way to go. Do you understand? See, this is 5 mark or 3 mark they will be asking. 32 you people try. 4 term they are given. 4 term they are given. 32 you people find. Find the x value. Quick, quick. A2 minus A1. That idea. Huh? Write fast. Finding A and L very important, ma. Again, I am telling. If you finding A and L, other things are very easy to go. A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1 in the sense A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. A2 8x plus 4 minus x. A3 6x minus 2. A2 value 8x minus 4. A4 2x plus 7 minus 6x minus into minus plus 2. Any one you equate. 8x, this is not 7x plus 4. First itself I am taking. Minus 2x minus 6. This itself I am taking. First 2. I am not going the third one. 9x equal to minus 6 minus 4. Then 9x equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 10 by 9. It's not there. X, they didn't say find the value of x. Adada. Then x I should not take. These together I will take. Then what it is inga? Minus 6 equal to here minus 4x plus 9. Inga comma var kudutan. They should give like this. Right, fine. We'll bring here. Then 2x equal to 9 plus 15. X equal to 15 by 2 da Raja. Here 15 by 2 I'm getting. Okay. Ma, this is A1, A2, A3. It is Ma, don't see this. Don't see this. This also don't see. This use panni. Puttingla. X A1 consider panni kuda. Find the value of x. And the x. Find the value of x, not A1. Okay. So how many terms? How many terms na n we have to find? Sequence are given. Should be taken. Their sum is 0. Appa, have you noticed it? What you will do here first? That is okay. But they said sequence. Have you noticed it? First you have to prove it's a AP. Answer you will get without say AP. If you are moving after taking full mark, they will reduce 1 mark. When they are given just a sequence, we should